She likes my iPad a lot. So, hey guys, little bit here. I just wanted to tell you that, yeah, I got a new puppy. She actually just put Loki all the way down. Loki, stop pinning her. Loki. So we went for the bad guy theme, Misty and Loki, and then we have Minecraft over there. Slash Dagny. Yeah, I wanted you to check out Monster's channel, or Monster Buster 08, and Peaches. I'm going to start doing some Minecraft somewhere. I promise you guys I will start doing Minecraft. Just I have to get a couple things uploaded out. Okay. My mom's mowing the yard. I have to watch the dogs. I have to go clean that mess up that she made. No, don't be inside. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go clean that up in a minute. So that's how they play. And they just kind of sometimes we have to tell Loki to rough because he's way bigger than her. I'm going to take a picture for the thing on my screen. So it's them sitting right next to each other. She bites his ear. She goes after him too. Oh, okay. She loves to play on the iPad. Like she actually can take a photo of herself. It's so funny. So yeah, just wanted to tell you that we got a new puppy named Misty. Misty, say hi. Misty, too rough. Miss. That was Dagny. It's just Dagny. It's okay. Don't step in that. That's disgusting. It's just Dagny. Slash Minecraft sheep. Are you sitting? See, she loves my iPad. Okay. Look at the camera. Oh, you want your toy? You want your toy? Oh, she's sagging. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Unfortunately, I can't do my normal thing, my normal ending, because I'm using the camera roll right now, and I don't have any edits on that. Oop.